Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Today I'm happy to introduce a brand new series that we're going to be dropping here on the channel. We're putting a Hemi into our JL Wrangler. Spoiler alert, it's going to go in there and it's going to be crazy. If you guys want to follow along and see exactly how Brendan and I built this JL Wrangler, be sure to subscribe to our off-road channel, hit that notification button. That way, as soon as the videos go up, you'll be able to watch them. Now this series is full length, hardcore, diving into this thing. It's crazy to give new life to this vehicle. They're very long episodes. You guys are gonna wanna watch these. We're gonna take you through everything that you haven't seen in a JL Wrangler, learn some things along the way, and have a lot of fun. So stay tuned, because there's gonna be a Hemi in this JL.